Our next speaker is Professor Elettra Stimilli, Associate Professor in the Department of Philosophy at the Sapienza University of Rome. And her recent books, The Debt of Living and Debt and Guilt, A Political Philosophy, untangle the relation between economics, contemporary politics, and religion along an original genealogy spanning from early Christian theology to the contemporary studies on debt. I invite her now to give her talk entitled Faith as Political Legitimacy Between State Sovereignty and Market. Welcome.
A precondition of this phenomenon can be traced back to the rise of the enterprise, the capitalistic undertaking, when it was granted a central role in all social relations, including the individual form of the entrepreneurial self. The entrepreneurial form individuals are through into the process of extracting value, specifically by making an investment in their own life. Despite the extreme levels of abstraction found in today's financial marketplace, we must not forget that this process is closely associated with the conceptualization of individual lives as human capital or an enterprise of the self. Michel Foucault was the first to examine this neoliberal form of domination, and starting from Michel Foucault studies, which identify the origin of neoliberalism in the pastoral power, I would like to argue that there is an extrinsic religious structure in the mechanisms that have given rise to the global domination of neoliberal economic power. Today, this religious structure is expression of a new form of legitimacy, totally different from the structure of the sacred legitimacy that characterized modern state sovereignty. This is the point on which I would like to dwell now. For example, it is worth reflecting on the fact that the value-creating mechanisms of the financial economy are entirely dependent upon a system of self-referential credentials, which are themselves dependent upon the confidence of its participants. Faith in the stock market is much more significant than the real economic value on the securities that are exchanged. Value in contemporary financial markets is not just concerned with attributes, but it also based on speculation about how others might value the value of something. Credit plays a significant role in this process, determining how finance communities communicate and behave. Its peculiarity is not just attributed to the fact that of being believed, but also by being the origin of a peculiar faith equipped with an innovative efficacy that changes how people behave and produces facts.